Hey, what's going on, everybody? For First We Feast, I'm Sean Evans, and you're watching Hot Ones. It's the show with hot questions and even hotter wings. Today, we're joined by Editor. You may know him from that one other tutorial he brought out with 8 views, but today he's here to show you how to perfectly clone any voice with 11 Labs and CapCut. Editor, welcome to the show.
Well, thank you, Sean. Yes, as the intro and example said, I'm going to show you how to perfectly clone voices with CapCut and 11 Labs. First, you'll need to bring in a clip of whichever voice you're trying to clone. I'm cloning Sean's voice from the start of Hot Ones, so I'll delete all the other parts of the video. With my clip selected, I'll go to Audio, Isolate Voice, and Keep Vocal. This will strip away the background music and sound effects. Once it's finished processing, I'll be left with just the vocals from the clip. Next, I'll right-click my footage and extract audio, then I'll go through the audio track removing any blank space and any other vocals that aren't the person I'm trying to clone. Now I can export the audio out of CapCut and upload it to 11 Labs for cloning. To do this, we go to Voices, Add New Voice, Instant Voice Clone, and Upload. Once I've cloned the voice, I'll then play around with the settings until it sounds most accurate. I can then generate the script for my video, download it, and import it into CapCut. Now for the interesting bit, we can re-import our original footage, go to Vocal Isolation, but this time pick Remove Vocal. This will leave us with just the music and sound effects. This means we can put our new voice and script over the music from the original scene. Then all that's left to do is line up your audio and any edits you need to do. It's a bit morally questionable to use public figures outside of memes, so personally, I just use it to grab old voices like those from retro future documentaries, or if I'm trying to touch up an actor's dialogue without having to re-record. But anyway, good luck, and go make some cool stuff.